Hi everyone. This is going to be a completely different video from what I normally do. There was just some exciting news that I wanted to share with you today. YouTube has announced today that they are making some major changes to the platform as far as content creators, such as myself, are concerned. These changes, hopefully, will allow more and more of you to grow your channels and become monetized a lot quicker. The first change is concerning shorts. Now, shorts, the little snippets of videos that you see that look sort of like the ones on those other platforms, they are now going to help you get to your goal of monetization quicker. So if you are a YouTuber who makes a lot of shorts, such as quick makeup tutorials and things like that, you can now supplement your shorts in place of your 4,000 hours of watch time. So you still need the 1,000 subscribers, but now you can get 10 million public views in 90 days and become monetized. And speaking of shorts, in 2023, those of us who make shorts on YouTube can now get paid for them. According to YouTube's blog site, from the overall amount allocated to creators, they will keep 45% of the revenue distributed based on their share of total shorts views. And what's one thing that creators use in all of their videos to create a tone or a mood? Music. YouTube has created a creator music space. This is a place where artists and content creators can both benefit. For the artists, they get paid for the music that the content creators are using. For the content creators, they can use the music even in their longer videos, and they can either pay for the songs or agree to share a portion of the revenue earned from their videos with the artists. That's absolutely amazing. For more information on the changes YouTube is making, check out the link down below. So I just wanted to share some of the things that came out of YouTube's big announcement today. Now, all of these changes will take place at the beginning of 2023, and they don't quite apply now. If you were interested in starting your own YouTube channel, it's not really that hard. All you need is an idea and a cell phone with a camera, and you can start your own YouTube channel. And take it from me, it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy the interaction that I have with my audience, and I enjoy getting to talk to other people who are in the same genre of content creation that I am. It's a lot of fun, and it's a really supportive family. If you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, but aren't quite sure how to do it, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I'd be more than happy to share some of my experiences and answer any questions that you may have. As always, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is Reviews for Nerds, and have a great day.